Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Purple Fashionista. So this week I'm going to do some tips and tricks on how I make my small space work. If you're not following this series, you should be. I'm converting my smallest bedroom into my bedroom. So if you want to see that, go ahead and watch my other videos. But if you want to see how I make my space work, stay tuned. So the first thing I did was go ahead and take the TV out of my bedroom or my old bedroom and put it in the new bedroom. Because this room has no space, then the TV had to be mounted. It was mounted in my old bedroom, but it only made sense to mount it in this bedroom. The mount that I'm using came from Ollie's, which is like a discount store that we have here actually in Norcross, but in the Atlanta area. And I basically just took it down and then just screwed into the wall and put it back. Make sure when you do this, you are finding the stud. If you don't have a stud finder, what are you doing, girl? You need your stud finder. So you go ahead and drill those in and then install the TV mount. So now that the TV is up, it is on to the most exciting part of this for me. I went to IKEA and got these Mulek shelves, which are just racks that you can basically screw into the wall. The way they work is they have two screws in them, which I'm showing you right here. You basically take those screws and you unscrew them, and then you can lengthen it or shorten it as you please. You could do this with one person, but I strongly suggest doing it with two because Quinny helped me with the first one and it was so much easier. I did the second one by myself and it was very difficult to do. But basically, I just used those holes in it as guidelines. I took a screw and kind of just marked where the holes were. I made sure that this was in a stud. Both of them are in a stud. And then I just drilled holes in them and then screwed them in and they work perfectly fine. The bottom one right here was a little bit difficult because for some reason the studs didn't really line up. But so I did go ahead and use drywall screws in there. I do not recommend drywall screws. The drywall screws only held about 23 pounds and they were going to be, it's going to be heavier when I'm putting in, but at a later date I may fix it, I may not. So that's that. But it is all finished. The clothes are up. The TV is up. And I cannot believe how much this room is transformed in the 2 or 3 weeks we've been working on this. I'm proud of myself and I'm proud of my sister for helping me do this. But that is all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to follow this series from the very beginning, you know it's a card up there somewhere you can always click on to start all over. But thank you guys so much for watching this channel. I'm so glad to still be doing this, and we are growing because now we're like over 100 subscribers, so I'm proud of that. Whoop whoop for your girl, you know what I'm saying? Thank you so much, and I will see you guys next week. I promise, like more on Wednesday than on Thursday because I'm late AF, but it's all good. Bye, guys.